Hey guys, so today I decided to do a trendy video that my friend Steph suggested I should do, and this is the what's in my purse video. Any of you who know me in real life know I'm basically like a really butchy straight girl, and I get mistaken for a lesbian a lot, which is awesome because like, thank you ladies. But I really don't carry a purse at all. I carry my wristlet all the time, which is around here somewhere. Let me see if I can find the grimy thing. It's here somewhere. Oh, it's over there. I carry around this grimy little wristlet all the time. I've had it for like 3 years. It keeps like receipts and like my cards and everything. It's a mess. I've tried to wean myself away from that and actually be a lady and carry a purse. I actually have 3 bags to go through because I have 3 bags that I use. So we're gonna start with this one because it's the one I use today. This is my Nicole, I don't even know who it's by. Nicole Miller. This is my Nicole Miller bag. Someone gave it to me as a gift and it's fucking cute and trendy and fall. And I was like, damn, nice taste. One of my friends got it for me. So that was super nice. And let's dig in and see what's inside of it. It's pretty fucking heavy because I used it today. First thing is my makeup bag that I bring with me every morning in the car. So this goes with me. Like today, I never leave my house fully ready. So I have to do my mascara on my way to wherever I was going today for lunch. And I'll throw this in my work bag when I'm done. But this just has usually like 6 mascaras in it because I can never use just one mascara because I'm a living psychopath. Chapstick and some random lip products. And actually those are my mom's car keys because I left Pennsylvania with them in December. And I forgot to give them back to her. So that's what's in this. I have a wrapper for some Veggie Go fruit snacks that I ate when I was out at the bar with my friends and I was getting hungry. Actually, no, I ate these when I was shopping with my little sister. They were okay. This is the Berry Rice Crisps and Greens flavor. I prefer the strawberry and beets. I have my Ofra Cosmetics Pasadena liquid lipstick, which I wore the other day and left it in here. Didn't put it away. Oh, I have my, like what I use now is a wallet inside my wristlet. I've been trying to use this because I forced myself to get this little thing so that way I can go from bag to bag. So I can go from bag to bag rather than carry my grimy wristlet. So in this, it's just got a little flap. I keep cash in there, which I don't have any. And then in the back here, I have my debit card, ID, and I think a coupon card for like a coffee place I go to. Oh, I have my Carmex because a girl got dry lips all the time, crusty as hell. Hashtag crusty corners. I always have crusty corners. So I have Carmex. This is a card that I was supposed to mail to someone that I didn't. Oh, I have a Quest bar in here. Raspberry white chocolate Jesus Christ. Raspberry white chocolate Quest bar because your girl gets hungry and she always needs a snacky. So that's in here. Oh hey, I was looking for this earlier today. This is my NYX liquid eyeliner, the matte black one, and I was just looking for this. Oh, I have something else in here. I have my NYX liquid lipstick in Soft Spoken. Again, I must have used that and left it in there. So that's what's in this bag. Let me grab my other bag. This is my way of cleaning out my bags because I never do at all, ever. So this is my 9 West pink purse. It came, show it all. I'll put it in front of my face. My 9 West pink purse, it's light pink, got a little nice gray border. I think it's super cute. I never really carry it because I feel like a bougie bitch, and I'm not really a bougie bitch, so I just don't really ever carry it. But what's in this bag is, again, another lip thing. This is my Burt's Bees lip balm shit. In this hidden pocket here that I use for everything, I have a kale and pumpkin seed protein whatever snack bar because, again, I always get fucking hungry and you need a snack in your purse. What else is in here? Ooh, a lollipop? Oh, hey, I have an organic lollipop. Oh, hey. I have like a shit ton of pop tabs. Do you know what these are? The little pop tab things you get on your beers. When I go out to the bars with my friends and they get PBRs, like white trash, hi Steph and Andy, I steal the pop tabs. And I steal the pop tabs off other people's beers that I don't know. If you put it on the beer counter and the bartender hasn't picked it up, I steal the pop tabs. So I have about 15 of them in here. Because at my job, the residents save pop tabs and then we donate them to the Children's Hospital for, they like melt down the aluminum and get money for it or something. So we save those, so I'm a creep and I steal them off people's beer cans when they're not looking. Not roofing you, just stealing your beer. Half a tissue, a hair tie. I have a plastic bag. Never know if you're gonna throw up, I guess, or need one. I have, oh, my Makeup Geek, like itinerary thing, order sheet, checklist, whatever. I got that. I have my list of what I bought at Makeup Geek months ago. Ooh, I have my NYX Intense Butter Lip Gloss in the color Tres Leches. And then I have some hand lotion, hashtag lizard hands, always crusty, so I have that in there. And I have a receipt for IKEA, which I went to in June of 2017. So I have that in my bag too. That is everything in my pink 9 West bag. This is gonna be the doozy, my work bag. I used to carry a backpack to work and then one day I just stopped. And now I carry this giant black bag and let me grab it for you. I might even have to zoom out because it's that big. And it is fucking heavy. Okay. this is my giant work bag. It's like a giant tote purse. Oh, this is actually the front of it. Hold on. This is the front of it. It's fucking huge. I got it at TJ Maxx for like $40 because I will not spend more than $40 on a bag. So this is the sucker. And we're gonna see what the fuck is in here because I don't even know. We are gonna start with this front pocket right here where I throw everything. We're gonna see what's in here. I have an Essence gel nail polish in the color Jeans On. Really old Maybelline Express Finish in metallic Mica in there. I will tell you there's about 12 nail polishes in there because I like to paint my nails when I'm at work doing paperwork because I type and it's time for them to dry. I have my OPI Tickle Me Frenchie, I think it's called. Tickle My Francie nail polish. This is like the best nude nail polish. It is everything. If you're gonna get engagement pictures done, put this on your nails. This is awesome. Ooh. Oh, it lost its little earbud thing. I'll find it. My gym headphones that are Bluetooth, I bought these off Amazon. They're fucking amazing. I'll link them down below. They're fucking great. They're like $15, $20, somewhere in that range, and they charge in my car, and the battery lasts a long time. And the only downside is that they don't get quite quiet enough. I have super sensitive ears, but I like them, so that's nice. I have Sally Hansen Insta-Dry in the color Navy Fleet. Maybelline Showstopper, Maybelline Color Show, metallics in gold. This is literally like filled with nail polish. I'm not even joking. No wonder my bag's been so heavy. I have a CQ Clear Top Coat nail polish. I have an OPI Top Coat nail polish. Holy shit, this is the last of the nail polish. I have this Sally Hansen one in the color Highway to Heaven. And then I have another Sally Hansen one in the color On Pines and Needles. And then the last one I have is OPI Don't Bossa Nova Me Around. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but it's another nice nude. So that is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 nail polishes. Too short of what I thought it would be. I have a ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip Gloss, and I want to say this is in the color Fairy Floss, but I don't know because it's worn off. But I want to say it's Fairy Floss. But Fairy Floss I'm pretty sure is a lip gloss, so this might be Finders Keepers, but I don't know. Oh, it says on the bottom. Never mind, just kidding. This is Aquarius. What else is in this pocket? Oh, I think there's another nail polish. Burt's Bees Lip Chap in Pink Grapefruit because that's the fucking tits. I have an Alka-Seltzer cold packet of 2 little things because when I was sick, I brought them to work and didn't eat these ones. Also, if any of you noticed between my Ipsy video and this video and partway through my Ipsy video, I got a haircut. I haven't cut my hair in a year and a half, and I got this, like, let me sit up, really cute asymmetrical lob. The side is longer. I don't really know what to do with my hair, and I told the hairdresser that I'm useless with hair, and I don't do shit with it. And I need something simple that I can make it look decent if I needed to, because on the days I work, I don't give a shit, because I work with old people, and they don't care, and they tell me I'm cute anyway. So, I got this, and I think it's pretty darn cute, and I feel chic as fuck. What else is in there? These, like, sterling silver rings that have turquoise. I don't know why they're in there, but they are. Wow, that pocket is empty for probably the first time in, like, 3 years. Oh, no, just kidding. A hair tie. This is, like, a gym hair tie. Now to the main part of the bag. I have the book called A Man Called Ove. He had a bizarre artwork, and one of the residents was getting rid of this book. Heard it's really good, so I snagged it, and I'm gonna read it. An entire thing of tea in here. This is the Tea of a Kind Antioxidant Twist Peach Ginger Black Tea, and I'm actually gonna take a sip of it now. This tea is fucking cool. It looks like water. It is water, and then you twist this and the tea comes shooting out of it. It's fucking good. You get it at Sprouts, and I don't know if anyone else has Sprouts unless you live in Colorado, but Sprouts is fucking amazing. It's the closest thing we have to a Wegmans, and I fucking miss Wegmans so much. And if you don't know what Wegmans is, please leave me a comment down below and I will tell you all about Wegmans. It is my religion. It is the best thing ever. And no, don't you dare just say it's a grocery store, because it's not. It's a way of life. Wow, shit's good. Ooh, My work keys. I have to carry my ID and 3 swipe keys to get into different buildings. And then I have a shit ton of actual keys to get in various rooms and places at work. So those need to go back in my bag. I have my gloves that I wear when I drive, and I actually usually don't wear them. I usually use them to, like, whack the snow off my car and then freeze to death. So those are in there. Oh, hey. My prescription sunnies are in here. Oh, hey, forgot these were in there too. Look at that. My glasses of like one of 3 pairs. These are my fancy green glasses. Got off Zenny for like 30 bucks. Pretty fucking cool. I have a pill bottle for my Spirolactone, which I take for my acne. Didn't know this was in here. There's one left. I have an Old Spice Amber deodorant that normally is supposed to be in my car, but I'm telling you right now, if you do not keep car deodorant, you fucking need to, because I get sweaty, I get gross, and I forget, and this smells amazing. It's so nice. It smells good. Not too manly, but just manly enough because I'm a little bit of like, you know, a little manly. My work agenda in here, which I will just pull out. Just my little work planner that I use to like write appointments with residents and other crap I need to do. programs I have going on, things like that. That's in here. Always in my bag. I carry it with me between the two buildings I work at. And then I just have some various papers in here. One is about, from the Coalition of Elder Abuse. This is about understanding and dealing with the challenges of hoarding disorder, which is our topic for, I believe, March or April. April, which is the next time we meet. This month's topic was malnutrition in seniors. Ooh, what's in the bottom here? Oh, fuck. There's trail mix in my bag. I didn't know that was in there. This is the Sprouts Goji Berry Trail Mix. Shit's good. I forgot that was in there. There's a receipt for Walgreens when I picked up my prescription. Feels like dental floss. It's not. It's a Post-it note. A little pack of Post-it notes. Fun fact, I keep Post-it notes on my dashboard of my car, and if I think of something while I'm driving, I write it down because I forget shit a lot, but I remember it when I'm in the car. And that's a great life tip. So Post-it notes are in there. Forgot those were in there. That is about it that's in my bag. That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, aside from the 10 nail polishes. If you like these kind of videos or like trending, my hair's a mess, girl. Girl, you are a disaster. Girl, you wild. If you like these kind of videos, the trendy ones, I don't know if they're even popular anymore, just Steph told me I should do what's in your bag. And since I don't normally carry a bag, but I have lately, I decided to do it. So if you like these kind of videos, just give it a thumbs up or let me know. That's it. Now I'm gonna go eat food and creep around my house. All right, bye.